Hey everybody, and welcome to another video of vintage TV and radio stuff. And today I'm featuring a JC Penney model 680-3743 clock radio, AM, FM, and cassette. You don't see a cassette alarm clock very often. At least I haven't seen one, but this has the cassette function, and you can actually wake up to the cassette, I guess, when the alarm goes off, based on the selection switch. As you can see, there's the cassette right here on the left, the power switch right here. You have two different alarm settings, then your selector for the audio tape, AM or FM, and then the volume control right here. Tuner, the area for the cassette to go into, and then there's the play, which happens automatically, a fast forward and eject. There's no rewind on this mechanism for this particular cassette player. Here's the top of the unit in that very, very attractive wood grain finish from the 70s, including the alarm off button, and then different buttons to control settings for the time and for the alarms, one of two. There's a snooze button and the calendar selector. A dimmer for the display, either for the night or the day. And then you can wake with a buzzer or with the radio. So I guess you cannot wake up with the cassette. Here's the underneath part, the model numbers there and everything else. There's an area there for the memory for the alarm clock and for the time. Your basic transistor battery goes in there. And as you can see, I got it at the Goodwill for $5.99. Alright, let's turn it on and see if it works. Right now it's on tape, and I'll save that for last. Let's turn our selector to AM. Volume's a little scratchy, but that's to be expected. And as usual around here, there's not a whole lot of AM reception. Well, and again, except that one right there. Let's turn our dial all the way to the other end here to 108. And here's FM. Now the FM should work a lot better. A lot more FM stations around here to get.
City Flooring Center.
Okay.
It's time. Who has the honey? Away for a little.
So that's pretty good. The FM comes in good. And while I'm here, I'll show you the calendar mode. It's this button here. You hit that, and then it tells you what the month and the day is. The dimmer. This is the night setting. Here's the day setting, so your time shows up a little brighter. We have alarm settings. I'm assuming you hit alarm 1, and then you hit the hour. Hold that down and set your alarm for 7 a.m. for example. You can have alarm number 2 set for maybe a little later time in the morning time. Or maybe you want to wake up at 2 in the afternoon. Now we have the PM with that little PM light lighting up, and now we have set our alarms for 7 a.m. and 2 p.m. Alright, let's try the cassette. The cassette loads in like this. And I'll flip it down to tape. Alright, as you can hear, our volume control switch is a little scratchy, and the tape's running a little bit slow. To fast forward, I push it in like that, pull it back out to play. Sounds kind of creepy. And then to eject, you just eject. I'm guessing that if I took the bottom off and maybe did a little cleaning in there, I would make it a little bit better, but because right now it's, yeah, it's just dirty most likely. Well, there you go. JC Penney distributed this. It's the model 680 3743. Electronic, by the way. Clock cassette player. One of many electronic gadgets that JC Penney sold back in the day when it was a big popular department store. You can go on eBay and get these right now for about 30 or 40 bucks a piece. And that's going to do it for today's video. If you like this video, please let us know. Leave any comments below, and we'll check in with you next time. Thanks for viewing.